Why does your scanner show the P0408 engine code? What does it mean? P0408 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, sensor B, circuit high. The P0408 engine code indicate your vehicle's engine computer has detected higher than expected voltage coming from the EGR position or temperature sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR position sensor, shorted or damaged wiring, clogged or jammed EGR valve, corroded or loose electrical connectors, vacuum or system leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.